Christian just moved from the sitting position and now he's trying to crawl, but his leg is stuck. Can you get it out, babe? I think you got it. Can you get it? All right, I'll pull your leg out. Okay. Now you're going to crawl away? You going to crawl away? I'm watching you. You looking at Foxy? You can turn, but can you move forward? Foxy pillow. That's Christian watching Foxy walk her pillow. Christian, you gonna crawl? Foxy's a not listening dog.